Ni hao, my name is Laura Devin. I'm a French lawyer. I passed my bar exam in Paris and I had the chance and the opportunity to practice in the Geneva bar. Now I'm running a company with two partners and we help businesses to develop in Switzerland. I had the chance to meet Tianze at the first workshop of the non-existing yet association, Swiss and Chinese Law Association. We understood from this first workshop that cultural differences were oftentimes a barrier in advising correctly our clients, especially in cases between Chinese and Swiss clients. We shared many examples of how misunderstanding could lead lawyers to advise their clients in a non-efficient way, and that didn't lead to business opportunities that made them fail, not because of legal understanding, but because of cultural practices of Chinese clients and Swiss clients. So for me, the association is very important to support the lawyers in better understanding the cultural context of Chinese businesses and Swiss businesses on the other way. We need to promote the exchanges outside of business and outside of being a lawyer, an advisor. We need to organize a place where we can exchange freely on our experiences, on our barriers, cultural gaps we have between the two practices. And I think the association is a great place where we can work and make events that will help us as lawyers to better understand outside of business cases. And the next, we are very excited about the next action of the association, which is the coming of 20 lawyers from China to visit their colleagues in Switzerland. The lawyers in whole Switzerland, not only Geneva, but also Zurich and Zug and Bern, were very interested in welcoming the Chinese delegation of lawyers. And among them, we have big law firms such as Ernst & Young in Geneva, Lausanne and Zurich. All law firms responded very actively. One very important institution in Switzerland, the Federal Tribunal, will welcome the delegation, and it shows how Switzerland is interested to favor the exchanges and to promote business between China and Switzerland. During the visit with the law firms, they've all proposed a special program that will allow the lawyers, the Chinese lawyers, to gain skills in legal context, international and national legal skills. They all proposed very different things. The most classical ones will be arbitration law, distribution law, international tax law, transfer pricing, merger and acquisition between the two countries. They will share all the practices in Switzerland. On top of that, we have law firms specialized in new technologies also and intellectual property. We also have a program proposed on immigration law that is very important for companies and businesses that want to set up in Geneva or in Switzerland. And those topics will be addressed to the lawyers during those visits. All law firms have worked to make those workshops interactive and to favor exchanges between the lawyers, because not only they will gain skills from the legal point, but they will also gain skills on the practice by the lawyers and exchange on experience they've already had with China. The association has also worked on this program to make it a cultural visit. The Switzerland is a country where the landscapes are very beautiful. We will bring the Chinese with the Swiss people to exchange on other geographical places than the law firms. Tianze has made it possible to go to the United Nations, of course, and also to other international organizations such as IATA and WIPO. And I believe the visits will be very complete in terms of experience for the Chinese lawyers. We will be very pleased to welcome you in Geneva. The association is waiting for you. Every member has a creative part to play in the association. Every member can suggest any ideas, is welcome to promote and favor exchanges between legal practitioners from Swiss and China.